Hi there, I'm Michael, product manager at Rokform. I'm going to introduce you and walk you through installing your motorcycle mount wireless charging head. To install this, you're going to need one of our Rokform mounts. You can use the perch mount, the stem mount, any of the Pro Ball, any of our motorcycle mounts will work as long as they have the RokLock. This is the motorcycle charging head. On the back of it is the vibration dampener, and the vibration dampener has a spur gear attachment. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to take the RokLock head off of the mount that's on our bike right now. All right, so we are using the perch mount, and so that one's got a square post. So we've got the spur gear to attach to the charging head, and then on the back of it is the square post that's going to attach to the RokLock mount. So first we will need to attach the square post adapter to the charging head. So when we do that, we need to make sure that we line up the screw holes. All right, so now that we've put the square head adapter post onto the charging head, we're going to put it back onto the RokLock mount. And then we'll tighten it using the same screw that we had before that we took off. And then we'll put it back into the position that we want for our viewing angle. And then we're ready to plug in the USB-C and test it out. So for that, we've got the USB-C that it comes with. And we'll have to make sure there's two ends. One is the waterproof end that plugs into the head. It's got a little bit extra ribs at the top. So that plugs into the bottom of the charging head. And then we'll route this however we want it. And if your bike has the USB-C already installed, we'll plug it in and connect our phone using our RokLock. Turn on the battery, and it'll charge our phone as we go. Thanks for watching. If you want to get a motorcycle wireless charging mount for your bike, you can visit us at rokform.com or our showroom in Irvine.